What's up? It's Kyle from Ante Graphic Supply, and this week I'm going to show you all about Siser's brand new heat transfer vinyl patterns. We got Galaxy, Buffalo Plaid, Tropical Blue Flowers, these cool mermaid print scales, leopard print. Watch, I'm going to show you how to apply the brand new Siser patterns. If you want to purchase any of these patterns, you can go to antegraphicssupply.com, or you can follow the links below in the description. It'll take you to all of the awesome heat transfer vinyl that we have. We also carry adhesive vinyl and transfer tape and all the tools and accessories you're ever going to need. Check it out. Okay, so now that I've got something cut out of the new Siser prints, this is the Buffalo Plaid. When you cut this, you do not mirror it. Super important. Print side up, do not mirror it, and then you weed it. And I got a couple of designs here. I just pulled some things off the computer that I already had just to. And as you can see, it weeds super easy. And it's print side up, like I said before. Alright, so now that you got it all cut and weeded, now you can apply the mask. Alright, you guys get a good look at that? Cool. So now that it's cut, it needs a mask. The mask is sold separately. Can be used a couple of different times, so you don't need a new piece every time, but you just peel it from the backing, like so. And then what I like to do is fold it like this. So this is the sticky side. And then drop it down right in the center, and then go over to the side. So now it's masked and ready to go. So now you just flip it over and remove the backing, so then you can press it. And I'll show you that right before I press it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these apart. So if you wanted to create a bunch of different images and then tape them all at the same time, you could. And what's good about this too is you can, now that it has the backing, you can stack them, you don't have to worry about it. But now I'll show you how to press these new Siser patterns. Alright, now that you've got your heat transfer patterns from Siser cut, weeded, and the application mask attached to it, got the heat press warmed up to 305 degrees. I had it set for 15 seconds. That's the recommended time and temperature for the Siser EasyPatterns. So you're going to want to preheat this garment for 2 to 3 seconds. And then now you want to remove the backing from the heat transfer. Just like that. So now it has the mask. It's perfectly safe to be heated. Throw that on there. And I'm going to apply this Buffalo Plaid butterfly. And the deer. See, it's super easy. This comes right off. Alright, and then I'm just going to press it. 15 seconds. Alright, and this is a warm peel, so you don't have to wait. You can just go ahead and peel it. There you go. That's your buffalo plaid Siser EasyPatterns cut and applied. So that's it for the Siser EasyPatterns. If you have any questions, please comment, hit us up. All our social media, Ante Graphics Instagram, Ante Graphics Supply on Facebook. We also have a Facebook crafting group, Ante Graphics Vinyl Crafting Group. I'll put that in the description too. Please join. Thanks.